many homeowners, the list of repairs never seems to end. From leaking faucets to worn-out floors, it can feel like you're constantly putting money into something that never feels quite right. Sometimes the upkeep just isn't worth it. And instead of pouring resources into constant repairs, there's an easier path forward. Imagine a sale that lets you move on without the stress or expense. No more repairs, no more worry, just a smooth transition to what's next. Interested in a stress-free sale? Contact us today and discover how we can help.